leaving the hair store. Bunch of hair stuff, box braids, back to school. And mommy has less work to do. Come on, Gia. So we're about to wash Nene's hair. So we're leaving the hair store. I just got the girls a bunch of hair stuff so we can start their single box braids so they can go back to school looking stylish. And mommy has less work to do. Yes, gotta love less work. You know, we're going to the car wash. Come on, Gio. Come on, Kayla. So we're about to wash Nene's hair. Washing her hair so I can blow it out and get it ready for the next phase, which is box braids. We went to the hair store earlier and got the hair supplies and stuff that we need. It is so hard getting anything done with a toddler. Moms out there that have toddlers, I completely feel your pain. I understand, I get it, and that was one of the reasons why I started this channel, to show other moms that you are not alone. We all out here struggling, and we can all learn from one another and help each other. Y'all don't mind that life. We had a natural disaster this weekend, and yeah, that's what my Christmas morning looked like. A whole leaky kitchen and water leaking all over there. It was just crazy, y'all. But we're about to get into this video. It's the shampoo and conditioner that we use, but as a matter of fact, I am going to do a cholesterol treatment. Because we're going to put all that heat in here, I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to put you on that treatment for like an hour. An hour? Yeah. If it's not that you put off here and watch TV like you said you're going to do. No, I used to do the eggs.
It's Nene. You wanna call her?
Up in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move, body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Think you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
Come on, Nia.
Någonting av det jag sa, men om du låter mig förklara, om vi i alla fall försöker ge en chans. Är det någon som tar hand om dig? Men du låter inte mig. Några spöken i min egen game. Jag i alla fall försöker ge en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger in när du säger att du vill. Ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta balans.
Why she the one that need the braid.
Så många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Den här gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har någonting med dig, men någonting med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har någonting med dig.
What she do?
Ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta balansen. Baby, bara en chans. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt. Om min farlight. Inte en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta din land. Oh baby, bara en chans. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt. Om min farlight. I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're going.
She's not happy, she never is.
Explain.
Come on.
There's been a whole lot of trying.
Ooh, cold.
A whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, a whole lot of crying, a whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you.
Let me get all
But I
wet.
don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. Mommy, not my kid.
Okay, that's not a medicine cup though.
Take out nature. Mommy, you're nature. Mommy.
Don't step in there. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix.
That was a rhetorical question. Come on.
Didn't wanna share my love. I found someone I'm sure of, young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, hold on it, let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Mommy. We ain't going on so tonight. Timing's right.
What are you doing?
Meant to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, gotta hold on it, let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going on. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do.
Man, I want to try this technique. Just give me one picture. One nice
I can't get the hair removed. This part is
All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now? Been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on fire, niggas dying and the rent is due. When the babies learn to cock and fire back before they even get to live their truth. I think somebody God got me right, cause I don't really look like what I made it through. People from the past wonder how. Somebody tell the realest niggas this shit live inside you too. I keep a bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. I'm 30 for 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now? I'm stuck in this real nigga renaissance. All in on myself, I treat the movement like an enterprise. Take a look around, you think we made it to the end of times. How you think I'm up right now? Been living on this type of time.
They don't have a vision of what the future holds.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never chased our passion. We probably would've never knew what happened. They was all just talk, we showed action. Once they leave, don't you let them back in. Just pack up all they stuff and send them packing. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help, then fuck it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.
Yeah, practice what you preaching, but clearly they not practicing entitlement and pride. Yeah, those two things they factor in. Spiral out of control just from all the bantering when they accustomed to talking behind your back with all that chattering. I remove myself before I abuse myself. Talk about self-love, but you gotta do it yourself. Yeah, I won't act too good for no help. We all healing now. Said some things about me that ain't true. How you feeling now? Even at my lowest, they tried to find a way to bring me down. Big y'all up for years, ain't talking just the brand or the sound. I don't throw things around, I do it from the heart proud. Mama just wanna see her sunshine, removing them dark clouds.
Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.
My stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta, I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul from right up under your nose and make you feel like you did it just to obtain your goals. Oh yeah, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we can learn from other people's failures sometimes. I used to make believe and tell a plethora of lies. Now I see how actions take effect on my life. Cause I don't even have a portrait of this family of mine. I used to be speeding back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though I got options, every tree in this garden, I can still feel lost, cause every day I wonder, yeah. Will they take my soul from right up under my nose and make me feel like I did it just to obtain my goals? I mean, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why if I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you?
Very light.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? hide away from me when I